I like being able to get my hands on something and see it work and interact with it and make it do what I want it to do.
The thing about instrumentation and control and mechatronics and that kind of work, what I really liked about that was it was a good mix of mechanical work plus electronics. And it was that combination that I really liked, just because one, it offers a really good pay in the industry, and two, it's enough to keep your days different and engaging no matter what you end up working on.
So here at SCTCC we offer 5 different degrees under the energy and electronics umbrella. We have a robotics and automation degree, an instrumentation and process control degree, a mechatronics degree, a energy technical specialist degree, and then our nuclear degree.
What I really like about the classes that they offer here is the good mix between lecture and lab work. Generally, we'll have maybe about a quarter of the class as lecture, and then we'll head out here into our lab and we'll actually start to apply what we learned in the classroom. And it helps really solidify what you learned during lecture when you can put it to use in real life.
One of the things that drew me to the program was, particularly in this area, this program is very highly regarded by businesses in the area.
The job market is very high. We probably have 10 jobs for every graduate that comes out of the program, and that's 10 known jobs that are actually out there. We have a lot of manufacturing companies that would be hiring even more if they could get more. So the demand is high out there for everyone in our program. We have students even now, we're in 3rd semester right now, and I have students getting job offers already as soon as they graduate, because they're struggling to find good quality technicians, so they're coming into the schools trying to grab them sooner and sooner. So it's a really good problem to have.